Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 4 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications from this watch. So first we need to open the ConnectIQ Store application on the watch. To do it, press the upper button, then scroll down and look for the ConnectIQ Store icon and then tap on it. Once the store opens, scroll down and look for the option called Installed and tap on it. And here we have the list of applications that are installed on our watch. And if you want to uninstall some application, you can tap on it. Then tap on Uninstall and tap on the check mark to confirm. And the app will be removed from your watch. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the ConnectIQ Store on the phone that is paired with your watch, which makes it a bit more convenient, to be honest. So we can zoom out this camera. Okay, open the ConnectIQ. And in the app on the phone, you can tap on Device, My Device Apps, and here you can see the list of applications installed, and you can tap on one, and then tap on More Uninstall, Uninstall, and the app will be removed from your watch. And basically that's how you uninstall applications from this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.